Welcome back everyone. So how you can enable random MAC address or random physical address in your device for Windows operating system. Okay, so how you can do that? First of all, open the settings, search the start bar settings, okay, and click the settings. Okay, when you open it, you can see the O settings is open. Okay, so in the left hand side you can see network and internet. Okay, click in this option, network and internet, and now you can see the Wi-Fi option. Okay, so click on the Wi-Fi option, and the last option you can see random hardware address, help you to protect by privacy your privacy by making it harder to people to track your device location. Okay, when you activate this option, the your operating system generate a random MAC address. Okay, so it's not your real MAC address, it's a fake MAC address. Okay, so that's it, I have turned on it, and that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye.